What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Ankr, which has pumped up just about 7% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just about 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at when is its next potential pump, when is it going to come back up in value. As you can see, it's been dropping quite a bit over the last few days. So is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up? So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it, the dip, sell it, hold it? So we're going to cover both buyers and the seller's point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, over the next couple of months and overall in 2023, to see how high this crypto can go. I'm mainly looking at, is it worth investing into Ankr in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is just about 0.05% up, nothing major. However, overall it is still down. As you can see, Bitcoin is still trading at in the lower part of the $23,000, and we've got Ankr as one of the top gainers. As you can see here, even though in the last hour it has dropped nearly 3% in value, overall it is up nearly 7%, with major increases here very early this morning, dropped back down, peaked back up, dropping back down. So yeah, it is a repeated cycle. Over the week 30% up, and over the month 54%. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down just about 2%, nothing major, making it $196 million in trading. And as you guys can see, it's been quite volatile, but because it's picked up value over the last couple of hours, I'm expecting the trading volume to go even higher than where it is at the moment, meaning more and more people will start to trade the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, and of course, it is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ankr, which is here in purple at 0.035 cents. And again, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.04283 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. However, we can see it slowly dropping down towards its resistance, not resistance target, sorry, so SMA indicator. Anyways, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, do expect Ankr to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially down to just about 4 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, no major drops are expected, and in between that time, do expect peaks as well. Green candles to pump up a little bit, drop back down. It's going to be a repeated cycle of ups and downs, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, guys, an overall drop in value is what is expected from Ankr over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days. So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, again, we do have the orange line going the opposite direction, looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming week from Ankr, so towards the end of next week. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at its price range over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to drop below the 4 cents target, peak up to 5 cents over the next couple of days. Up and down is going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last few days. But the overall outcome, personally, guys, I am expecting it to be more on the positive side. So potentially going past the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. Slow and steady increases in value is the way forward. And again, The only reason why it's dropped quite a bit over the last few days is because the crypto market was down, with Bitcoin dropping down to $22,000, and most cryptos did take a little hit, and Ankr was one of them. As I mentioned before, it's part of the process. But if we don't see any dips in the crypto market and so on, then we may be able to see a slow and steady increase in value from Ankr by mid to late next week. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Exact same, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line going in opposite direction to each other. Clearly, the orange line is looking bullish and the blue line is looking bearish. So again, an overall fluctuation is what is expected by the chart over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say by mid to late March, April 2023, according to the graph or the chart, we should be trading around the 5 cents target. However, I am expecting Ankr to be passing the 10 cents target by late April 2023, guys. Again, yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment to most of you guys. However, as you can see, we've got an approximate 2 months left for the end of April 2023, and within that time, I'm pretty sure we can more than double its value. As you can see here, early 2023 was worth at just under 2 cents. 0.015 cents, as you can see, at the start of the year, and did peak up to 5 cents earlier on this month. So it's gone up more than double its value in a space of about a month and a half. And again, guys, over the next 2 months, if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side overall, then yes, 10 cents is possible, or even way higher than 10 cents. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Ankr, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated in the loop of my predictions, my takes, and any new updates, news that come across that can have a potential positive or negative impact on Ankr. So comment down below if you guys want regular updates. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we have gotten very close to hitting the green zone, which is, let's have a look here, 6 cents. And again, I'm expecting Ankr to be hitting 6 cents over the next week or two. We should be heading around to 6 cents target and potentially breaking out into the green zone by mid to late March 2023, and again heading to 10 cents in April. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ankr as of right now. Any major changes, I will of course keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Ankr. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, guys. As I mentioned, I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year, and at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.